All right, today we're doing a video of Southwestern Industries DPM3. Serial number 003BF10168. It's new in 2000. It has an AG3 control and a torque right power drawbar. Start the spindle. That's your low range. It's about 200 RPM. Middle of the range and low. Shut it off. Brake. Switch over to the high range. It's about 2200 RPM. Again, varies up and down. It's about 1000 RPM. And you're gonna jog your axes. You have your X-axis there. Machine has an automatic lubrication system. Okay, also has coolant. X-axis is ball screw, X and Y ball screw driven. It's your Y-axis, again, very quiet. And your Z-axis, up and down. And you can also use the quill manually. It's like a Bridgeport. It'll do the math and account judging off of your height that way. That's basically it. Again, this machine can be seen in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse for inspection. Thank you for watching the video.